Now what we gonna tell the people? Huh? You gonna tell these people that you blew your account? You blew your account for what? I mean, you ain't all the way blow it, but you damn near blew the account. So now you gotta be the person of your word that you are, and you gotta just tell the people. How did you blow your account? Tell the people how you blew your account. Don't tell me how you blew your account. I know how you blew your account. Let them know how you blew your account. Hey, get back in here. Yes. Hey, check this out, Sonny. I don't know what you got going on, but you know what? You need to show these people some respect. Show them your face, hold your head up high, and know, yes, you may have almost blown your account, but you didn't blow the account. And you also know what you need to do to tighten up. Walk out here with your head held high, unless you plan on doing it again. All right, so now I gotta talk to the people. What we gonna tell them? We gonna tell them that, we gonna tell them the truth. Fuck it. What's up, Ranks Banks, the wealthy trader, tapping in with some more fire, lit, dope, and you already know what it is, authentic content. If this your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are new to Forex, you're going to want to stay around here because this is a beginner Forex friendly channel. As you can see, y'all, I got some truths that I got to tell you. I got to come clean because, I mean, what this is looking like, what this right here is looking like, it's not looking. It's not looking at all. So we about to tap into this and we're going to explain what happened. We're going to explain how I practically blew my account. All right, y'all, this where we at with it. So as you can see, I blew my account. Well, I didn't really blow my account, but I blew my account. You might as well say, I know a few videos ago, probably like I think maybe my first video, I told y'all that I was doing a $50 trading challenge with one of my trading groups. Last week, I never started trading. I never focused. Well, last week, I never started trading that challenge. So this week, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and focus on that. So I deposited, you know, it wasn't a complete 50 because if you know, you know, sometimes whenever you send over cryptocurrency, if you don't account for certain fees and stuff like that, it won't necessarily be the amount that you sent. So it was like $48 and a little bit of change. I sent that over on Sunday. Now, I didn't look at the charts on Monday, because I don't trade on Mondays according to my trading plan, and I don't trade on Fridays according to my trading plan. Tuesday comes, I'm excited to trade. I had a great week last week trading. Now I'm like, okay, we about to kill these markets this week. You know, that's the confidence that I have at the time. I wake up, get up for London session. Mind you, I haven't traded last week. Haven't traded London session since time went back or time went up. I wasn't even accounting for that when I was trading. It was a lot of things that I did wrong, all right? In this video, I'm gonna give you some tips to keep you from blowing your account. We're gonna say 4 tips that I can give you. Got them right here in the phone. That's why I'm looking down. But I got 4 tips for you to keep you from blowing your account, from doing what I did, all right? Back to the story. Tuesday, I wake up, don't feel like getting out of bed, being lazy. I'm like, all right, I can just do this straight off the phone. I'm half asleep. I told y'all I'm in the process of detoxing because I'm healing some things that's going on with my digestive system. I really just wasn't feeling it. That's another mistake. And this is a bonus tip because that's not included in this. But if you're not in the right mental space and if you got other things going on, like if you can't get into your flow, then you shouldn't be trading at all. I'm laying in the bed, look at the phone, kind of mark up the charts on my phone as best as I could. I literally woke up, looked at my phone, was like, oh, it's time to go. Didn't really do a real analysis. And I just jumped in the trade because I was ready to make some money. I get into the trade and the trade immediately goes left. Hit my stop loss and everything. So now I'm in my feelings, you know what I mean? Now I am in my feelings, which leads me to my first tip. Do not revenge trade. Listen, in trading, you can't be mixing your emotions. You can't be emotional with this. You have to figure out how to be emotionless, I guess. I haven't figured that out yet. Clearly it shows. I started just revenge trading. You know, I started scalping on a 1 minute. Like, y'all, that's not even my trading plan. I'm laying there and I'm just looking at myself. I take a buy. I might be in profit, close it, take a sell because it's going down and it's still buying. Like, I'm just doing some weird ass shit, right? So number 1, don't revenge trade, because that revenge trading, that took my account all the way down to, I think it was like $12, all right? Number 2, going back to what I just said, stay out of your feelings so you can stay in your bag. If I wasn't in my feelings, if I would have been like, well, you know, that was nothing. That loss was nothing. You know what I mean? It's just a lesson that I need to not even go back and really look at the trade that I took. It's a lesson that I need to do what I do. And I need to mark up my charts on my computer and then go to the phone for my MC5 so I can execute my trade. If I wouldn't have been in my feelings, I would have still been in my bag. Number 3, only take trades when you have a clear mind and once you've done a true analysis. Now, I told you, my analysis are done on TradingView. I didn't get on TradingView on my computer to do the analysis. What the hell was I thinking? I wasn't, you know what I mean? So that's just plain, that's simple, that's clear cut. Like, don't make no trades if you haven't done a true analysis of whatever pairs that you about to trade for or the trades that you about to enter. This is the last one, which is, if I would have done this initially, none of this would have happened. Stick to your trading plan, all right? I told y'all I've been trading on and off for a few years, and it wasn't until a few months ago that I actually took the time to put together a trading plan. I put together my trading plan based off of a system that I trade off of. I back tested it and the results was there. I started using that system to trade. I was able to develop a trading plan based off of that. Some things that are in my trading plan, you know, I'm not even gonna get into the whole trading plan thing because that's another topic. That's for another video. Some things that are in my trading plan would have never allowed me to do what I was doing. You know what I mean? If I would have followed the rules of my trading plan, I would have never even got in the trade because, one, I would have been on my computer and I would have been analyzing my charts. And if I would have done that, I would have never even gotten that trade. Just stick to your trading plan, man. And if you don't have a trading plan, drop that you don't have a trading plan in the comment section and I'll make a video on my trading plan, sharing some tips and tricks that can help you put together a pretty good trading plan. This was a short one today. We're gonna wrap it up. Yeah, I did it, y'all. I almost blew my account. But it's all right because you always live to trade another day. And today, you know what I mean? I was able to recoup some of that money. So I didn't recoup it all, but I was able to recoup some of it. And I was initially going to just throw $100 in the account and be like, just fuck it, just trade off of that. Now I'm gonna challenge myself because I did get my account down to the $12 and whatever it is. I'm gonna challenge my account to build that account back up to the $50, do it the right way, follow my trading plan, and then grow it further, you know what I mean? Sticking to the compounding effect. I don't even know what I was doing, but y'all, we got it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Click the thumbs up if you like the content. Hit the bell notification so you'll receive notifications when I upload these lit-ass authentic videos. Let me tell you, it ain't too many YouTubers out here that has showed you or who's showing you their journey, you know what I mean? Like, no, I'm not a beginner trader, but I'm also not an advanced trader neither, you know what I mean? Like, I'm still in the same boat as all beginner traders. I haven't been consistently profitable. I've made withdrawals, yes, but I haven't been consistently profitable. So until I'm consistently profitable, then, I mean, I ain't made it yet. You know what I mean? I made it to where I made it to, but I didn't make it to where I'm going. All right, so anyway, if you like that type of content, you already know what to do. Drop me down in the comment section below and let me know some topics that you want to hear me talk about. You know what I mean? I'm gonna just continue to be transparent and share my journey with y'all. But other than that, we out. Peace. Oh yeah, and one last thing. If you like the way that I did the video, you know what I mean, with the little bit of comedy at the beginning, let me know if you want me to do more videos like that. That was pretty fun to me. I feel like I'm pretty funny. People who know me, they know that I'm hilarious. So I want to share that side of me on this channel. So let me know if you like that type of content and I'll start incorporating more of that into these videos. Thanks for your support, peace, love, and positive vibes. Let's go.